Okay, so it's day 11 and getting cooler instead of warmer. In the mornings anyway. Leaving Santo Domingo. And it's supposed to be a decent day today. A couple of my friends I'm with, Barb and Bob. Barb hasn't been feeling well. She got to the albergue last night and just went right to bed for the rest of the day. So she's gonna give it a try today. So she might be feeling a little better, but we'll see. Looking forward to a good day. Thank you. So back at it. Heading to Belorado today. Love Santo Domingo. Beautiful city, beautiful church. Got a chance to go visit that yesterday. Saw the chickens up in the coop in the church. But we're off today for Belorado. There's not a cloud in the sky, but it's very cold this morning. It's supposed to get in the 60s this afternoon, so can't wait for that. Here we go. This is Granon. Hoping there's another bar up here. There was one back there, but it was a truck type of a thing, a food truck. I'm looking for a regular one. Looks like there's one up there. Granon. Here we go. Yeah.
But we still have a lot of family in the Chicago area.
Buen camino. Viloria. Di Roja. I think. Small town. Hoping they have a place I can stop and plug my phone in for a little bit. Maybe in a burger or a bar.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Hanging on gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when
Entering Belorado.
the river's gonna cry when you're the river's gonna cry when you're I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're